The nominees are John Lucas for Encantadia Chronicles, sa akin. Kokoy De Santos for Mga Batang Giles, at Engineer for Ang Mundial Section E, and John D for It's Okay Not to Be Okay, Harvey Bautista for Incognito, Marco Massa. The People's Choice Award goes to
First of all, I would like to thank Sparkle GMA Artist Center, and of course, Miss Annette, Miss Joy, at sa buong GMA team. And of course, I would like to thank the Acusada fam, kila Kuya Benj, kila Ate Ada sa pag-guide sa akin all throughout the taping. You know, it is truly a fulfilling and heartwarming experience to be recognized in doing what you love. And ito, sobrang laking pasasalamat. Kumbaga, this is just not just a trophy, but a symbol to push myself, to better myself in every aspect of the industry. So maraming salamat. I owe it to you guys. Thank you.
The VP Choice Awards, TV Supporting Actress of the Year recognizes a standout supporting actress whose performance brings dimension and impact. These awards celebrates our local ingredients of overall talent.
The nominees are Ashley Zerbe, Cyrene Manalo for It's Okay Not to Be Okay, Mike Iquitos for Encantadia Chronicles Sangre, Ina Valentin for Acusada, Stephanie for Batang Giles, Sarah Jo for Ang Mundial.
Hello everyone, good evening. First of all, thank you so much VP Choice Award for this recognition. This means a lot to me po talaga. And I also want to thank my Sparkle GMA Artist Center family, Miss Annette, Miss Joy, and to my Acusada family as well. Kuya Benj, at Ada, at Leah, Direct Dom, and to everybody who guided me for this role. And to all my supporters, and of course my mom. I'm really thankful. Of course, thank you, Papa God, for this blessing. And I'm just really happy to receive this award. Thank you.
The BP Choice Awards now. Youth Male TV Personality of the Year recognizes the people's favorite emerging male television personality who has recently made remarkable impressions on viewers. This category honors a fresh talent who has shown natural charisma and strong on-screen presence.
The nominees are Ralph De Leon, Weaver Wood, Anton Winson, Matthew Puy, J.N. Ibarra, Dylan Menor, and the VP Choice Award goes to
Ralph De Leon, congratulations!
Choice Awards for giving me this award. And of course, I am not a personality. I am not who I am without the people around me. And the people who've shown me so much love, not only in my showbiz career, but before that as well. So I'd just like to thank my Star Magic family, my Empire Mercator family, and of course, the never-ending support of my co-housemates sitting right there at that table. And syempre po sa lahat ng fans na sumusuporta sa akin. Gusto ko lang din po mag-share na I don't take this only as an award, but syempre bilang isang responsibility din. I'm currently taping Why Speak 2.0, and I share that not to promote the show, but to promote its message. Ngayon, ang daming problemang sobrang laganap dito sa Pilipinas. Ang daming nangyayari na kailangan pag-usapan. So whatever we do, please, just open that discussion, be able to talk about our problems, and let's hope for a better tomorrow para sa Pilipinas at para sa bayan. Thank you.
The Baby Choice Awards New Female TV Personality of the Year recognizes the people's favorite emerging female television personality who has made a strong and memorable impact on viewers. This category honors her rising talent.